Okay.
We started out by doing some research, looked at about 4 or 5 different companies, came across Zen Windows and Dennis, and he gave us a quote online. We kind of looked over it, went back and forth 3 or 4 times, and now we're here on install day.
And how has that gone?
Install's been great. The guys, they put down drop cloths and everything, took care of the house, and they're just about done with the inside, and then tomorrow they'll come up and finish the outside.
Cleanup's been good?
Cleanup's been great, yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
No problem.